Today, we're going to talk about shares and exports on the VA.gov KPI dashboards. Ideally, these dashboards can help you quickly share data with your team and stakeholders. And if you're putting together slides or reports, we hope that these graphs can help make that process simpler. So, what are your options? Both cards and dashboards can be shared directly with other Domo users. If you're looking to share specific cards, these can also be exported to multiple other formats to be dropped into a slide or report, and you're even able to customize how the data is being visualized. However, because the full KPI dashboards are so large, they should only be shared directly with other users over Domo. Exports to other formats, unfortunately, destroy the layout and make these very hard for users to read. Luckily, requesting Domo accounts for other team members or stakeholders is super simple, and we'll cover that process in this video as well. Let's start with sharing directly on Domo, using the Content KPI dashboard as an example. There are two ways to get to the Share menu, both in the top right corner of the screen. The most direct way is to click on the icon of a person with a plus sign. This will open up the sharing panel, where you can type the name of a user or group in the top bar. If you want, you can add a message to be included in the email. Otherwise, it will just use Domo's default, which sounds a little bit like the Microsoft Paperclip. You can also access the Share menu by clicking the Export icon a bit further to the right. It'll be the first option. Now, you may be tempted by some of the dashboard export options below, but don't be fooled. All of these presets will resize your cards and add in extra line breaks without giving you a chance to fix them. If you do want to capture large sections of the dashboard as an image, the easiest way to do so is to simply take a screenshot of that full section. If you want someone to see the entire dashboard, it's easy to request Domo access. Simply go to the VFS Platform Support channel in Slack, type /support, and in the form that appears, select the Analytics team and let us know the name and email of the person who needs to use Domo. But let's say you're working on a presentation. You want to focus on a few select cards from your dashboard, but fit them into your existing slide design. In that case, it's probably best to export those specific cards from the card detail view so you can have maximum flexibility. If I left-click any card on the dashboard, the detailed view will appear in a new tab with all my dashboard filters preserved. Now, I want to put this data in a slide, but I happen to know my audience prefers pie charts. I'll click the Chart Picker icon, which is shaped like one, and choose a temporary, different way to visualize my data. Once that's selected, I'll click the Export menu. To save as a PDF, I'll choose the Print option, but since I want an editable image for slides, I'll choose PowerPoint. When I open the file, there's an image of my chart with some text boxes to provide context. I could copy and paste the image into another slide, and I could also edit it here. I'll clean up the HTML formatting for the custom date field that reflects the range of the data shown, and I'll also erase the range that's automatically generated for the whole dashboard, since this is for the full data set and could cause confusion. There, that's looking better already.